and welcome to my channel The Healing Goddess. Today we will be doing readings for June 2020 for Taurus people. So let's start. We'll start with the tarot cards and then the oracle cards. We have the Hierophant reverse, Six of Swords reverse, and the Devil reverse. So this tells me that the month of June is going to be really nice for you. I'll tell you why. Because you'll get to realize a lot of things about yourself and your life. First of all, you'll come to know that all the wisdom that you seek, all the learning, all the guidance that you seek is within, and no amount of external resources or any kind of external teachings can help you with your current situation but you yourself. This card tells me that there is some sort of movement in your life in the month of June. It could be that you have to move from one city to another, one place to another. Maybe you have to change your countries. Or it could also be that your near or dear one could be shifting to another country or another place, and because of that person, you also have to move to that place. You could have been worrying about it from a long time, whether it is the right decision for you, what fruits will it bear for you, and how will the future be. But in the month of June, you will be able to realize that yes, this is your destiny and you have to move along this path, and a bright future awaits you. So you will pack your bags and you will be very much ready to move forward in this new phase of life. This card is a very encouraging card because it tells me that you will realize that it's better to detach yourself from certain situations and people, to cut off negativity, to let go of toxicity or any kind of negativity in your life, any kind of harsh energy, harsh people, any kind of criticism. You have to walk away from that because at this moment you are undergoing a cosmic leveling up or a spiritual path is calling you. This card also talks about spirituality, that you will be inspired and you will receive signs from the above to follow their guidance and also to follow spirituality. This card tells me that you will find new ways and new belief systems of your own. You will start questioning the society. Maybe you have been questioning the society or the traditions and customs that you follow as a society, as a community. You will question that. And this also is guidance from above, that you have to define your own life, you have to take charge, and you have to see what suits you. If there is some kind of custom that does not add value to your life, then why follow it? You are on the right track, and this change in mind is directed towards you, and this idea came to you because it is yours and it is yours to fulfill. With this modern approach, with this broader mindset, you will be able to move to better opportunities in the future. You will be able to tap into brighter opportunities as well as things that people with a narrow mindset might not be able to understand. And this attitude will bring a greater purpose in your life. Let's see what the oracle cards have to say. We have hydration. So it could be that you're too busy in your life or you're too distracted in your life to pay attention to your own body and its needs. So it's high time, it's a message from the universe that you need to pay attention to your own self. Drink more water, eliminate any sort of dehydrating substances from your diet like salt, alcohol, soda, dried fruits. You can also stay away from caffeine and nicotine. You can add more liquids in your day-to-day routine, and you can even pray before drinking a glass of water. You can use your healing energy over that glass of water before drinking it, and with those positive prayers your health will improve. This card says, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for motivating and guiding me to drink more water so that my health, energy, and appetite stay at optimal levels throughout each day. So it could be that because of not drinking much water, your energy levels are coming down, or there is some sort of imbalance in your life and in your body. And drinking water, adequate amount of water, will help you a lot. As you can see, this person is near a water body. So if you're stressed out or if you're still carrying any sort of negative energy from past situations, you, if possible, you can go near a water body and spend some time. Or if you have an aquarium at home, you can spend time near that so that you feel more relaxed. Also, you can hear water waves or sound of waterfall in your mobile phone, on YouTube, wherever you find such a sound. It will be beneficial and it will connect you more with the cycles of the nature. Also, exercise is necessary here so that you can get the water cycle moving in your body and lose the toxins through perspiration. The next card we have here is your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. Oh, what a coincidence. So, we're talking about Taurus here and we have a Taurus card. So, that's a nice coincidence. And who better will understand this than you? This card says that you might be having a lot of goals in mind. You may be dreaming about big things, but to achieve them, you need to move on from the idea phase or the imagination phase to a practical phase where you actually plan what to do ahead. So you can make a list of bullet points of what all you need to do in order to reach your goal and to achieve that. Also, it's the best time to manifest something, whichever whatever your desires are, whatever you wanted to do from a long time. You can make a practical plan. You can do a SWOT analysis of that, or you can see what will be required and what can be eliminated, so that when you start taking steps towards your dreams and goals, you'll waste least amount of time. This card also says that if you've been feeling lazy, then this is a wake up call to not be lazy and get up and going and do some exercise. Spend time in nature if possible. So let's see the next card. The Thinking Man. So this card says that there could be someone in your life, someone that's already there in your life, or someone who could arrive in June that could help you understand a lot of things about yourself, who will give you a lot of insight about your spirituality. He could be a guru, a teacher, a mentor, or a boss, or a father figure, someone who's had a lot of experience in life, who's full of wisdom, and they will guide you to your next steps. They will also help you in your spirituality, and if you follow or are interested in healing, then it will be a great thing to learn as much as possible from this person, and always be on the lookout for this person in June. Try to gain as much knowledge from them as possible, and it's a great time. June will be a great time to take up a new study, a course of study, a new discipline, learn a new practice, or start a healing practice. So, as you can see, this person is looking at a crystal. So, it's a great time, as I mentioned before, a great time for manifestation as well. This person could be just a male friend also coming your way, or it could be a new love interest. So, that's great. There is travel, there is a new love interest for you, or a new friendship. There is a lot of realization that you are your own mentor, and that when you release negativity from your life, you can actually welcome a spiritual awakening in your life. Do not be lazy, drink water adequately, and also be ready to learn something new in your life and expand your spiritual horizons. So, overall, a great month, lot of changes happening, lot of new things happening in your life. So, all the best, be on the lookout for this person, and I wish you all the very best. That's it from my side. If you like my reading, please do hit the like button, share this video, consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you can get all the future updates of my videos. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. See you soon again. Bye bye.